Hi guys, I am in Mercat de Sant Antoni in Barcelona. This is a very old market. Mercat is market, which has recently been renovated and re-inaugurated for the public. There were construction work going on in this site for the past 10 years, I think. And I'm turning around to show you what the one side of the market looks like. This is what you see behind me, yeah, and it is beautiful, right? Okay, so the market is really big, and if you see on that side, there's like one more wing. There are 4 wings on 4 sides of the market. That's how it is designed. And now with this, like if you want to see the other side, you see on all sides the same kind of decoration and the same kind of entrance is there. So you have that side, you get a better picture like this. And there's a central point which is like a tower on top. So let me turn this around. Yeah, so that's the central part, and like you can from here make an idea how this is coming. There are like 4 sides to the market.